This is a pakapalan ng mukha, alay dignidad competition. Hear it to win it. Grabe, tawa pa lang. Sino dito ang makapal ang mukha? Cheche, ikaw ang pinakamakapal ang mukha sa table mo. Edmund is a champion. Nakita ko na kung makapal ang mukha nito, mas makapal ang mukha nito. Do you have your championship roster with you here? Kuya Ray. Sino? Sino? Halika dito. Pinakain ka. Iluwa mo yan. Oh, halika dito. Kala mo walang kapalit, halika dito. Masakit pa mo, kunin mo yung Crocs kay tita. Talaga. Alright, kung may ipapa-audition, sino ang pipiliin nyo dyan na pwede mag-audition?
Si Laila.
Laila. Pat, feeling ko pareho makapal mo ka. Ay, ito na nga. Nakikita ko na po yung ugali. Alam ko na, ito na yung pangatlo. Oy, Laila! Patawa kayo ng tawa. Tawa kayo ng tawa kay Laila. Laila, halika dito. Ay, ito na yung tatlo. Kapag pinagsama kayo sa restaurant, kayo talagang maririnig. Kai, Cheche, and Laila. You are Team John. So, John, these three represent you. No, John, they're strong. I feel it. I got you, bro. These guys, I feel it. They're strong. There's Saya this here. The Saya this here. Okay, good. Oh, pumili ka na ng isa.
Babawi ako si Kuya.
Kuya, halika dito. Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo eh. Pinawian ka. Belated happy anniversary sa'yo, ha? Magkalaban kayo. You guys will be fighting. John, I'm excited for you to experience this. In a competition called Beat It to Win It. There are 3 songs. 3 Beat It songs. Each song, 1 player per team will attempt to hit the highest notes of certain songs. Beat It to Win It. But this is not a singing competition. This is a pakapalan ng mukha, alay dignidad competition. They have to offer their dignity. Ay, ikaw talaga. Grabe. Ay, grabe talaga. Mahihirapan kayo dito. Nararamdaman nyo yung lakas nila.
I won't let you!
Kapal na mukha nito. Dito pa lang natatamaan na book. Gumanon ako.
Simulan na natin.
Simulan na. Grabe tong si Mikay. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Street lights, people, ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Anong inayos mo dyan? Ha? Anong inayos mo? Akal? Rosario ba yan? Di mo kailangan. Di mo kailangan ng lakas-lakas mo na. Alright. Taas natin ang mic niya. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't stop believing. Yes. Akala ko ba binasa mo na? Don't stop. Ano yun? Ano yun? Ha, hindi pwede mag-request. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Don't stop believing.
Galing!
Hold into that feeling. Street lights, people.
Palakpakan naman! Ay, grabe talaga. Yes! I told you they were strong!
I told you, John!
See? Grabe pa lang! Grabe! Tawa pa lang, nagyayanig na yung mga lamok eh. Parang putya, ano yun? Ano yun? Who wins round number 1? Was it Ray of Team Charisse? Proud pa rin kami. Proud. Or Mikay of Team John? Mikay! Number 2, Charles. I've been waiting for this day for you to come and show yourself. The winner, first to 2 points wins. The winner will take home 6,000 pesos. Crap! Ba't nagbago yung anyo mo? Ba't nag-transform ka? Kanina ang tahimik mo. 6,000 lang. Grabe talaga tong... Grabe. Mas lalo pa silang lumakas. May incentive na yung tatlong yun. Gumanon sila. Ready? Sing it.
Some people want it all. I don't want nothing at all. It ain't you, baby.
Yeah!
I got you, baby. Everything means nothing if I got you.
Kilig na kilig yung asawa mo. Nanalo ka na. Ikaw. Okay lang kahit? Sige. Winarning mo naman kami. Okay. Alright. In 3, 2, 1. Hindi pa. Ako na. Okay. Here we go. Teka lang. Eto na.
Some people want love, but I don't want nothing at all. It is still you, baby.
Ganda.
If I yet got you, baby. Some people want you. Sorry for it, but I'm not a singer.
Ginamit mo yung
I'm a
imagination mo.
dancer.
Grabe.
Can I dance?
Ang galing. Inulit mo. Wala ka. Nabasa mo, hindi. Sabi niya, wala akong makita. Alright. Sino pong nanalo for round 2? Was it Laila of Team John? Or was it Charles of Team Therese? Charles takes the win. Good job. The champion, Cheche, ang pinakamakapal ang mukha.
Jan.
Jan, what do you want to say to Cheche? This is for the win, bro.
You got this.
Yes, we will get it.
We will got it. We will got it. Tatanda.
Yes.
Yes. Feeling ko ikaw ang pinakamalala. Nararamdaman ko lang.
Hindi naman.
Feeling ko lang. Eto na. Nagsisimula na ang transformasyon. Cheche, pakilala mo kung sino ka. Palakpakan po natin si Cheche.
Jan! Jan!
Grabe. Ang tili mo, mas malakas eh. Edmund in 3, 2, 1. Baba natin yung music ng konti. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Edmund, go for it.
You're here. There's nothing
nauna ka.
We'll stay forever this way. You are safe in my heart and my heart will go on and on.
May isa pa, isa pa.
Happy. Happy.
Paano ka nag-champion ulit? Di ko Sino pong nanalo for the final round? Was it Edmund of Team Charisse? Cheche of Team John? Ladies and gentlemen, Cheche beats the champion! 6,000 pesos! Grabe talaga!